Every successful sugar factory has a story beyond production numbers. It is a story of solving challenges, making difficult decisions, and choosing the right partners. For over 2 decades, one such story has been unfolding between Nirani Sugars and Spray Engineering Devices.
Mr. 𝗦𝗽𝗶𝗆𝗏𝗧, myself relation is last 30 years. I met him about 28 years back. That time my plant was 500 TCD. I purchased condenser. That was the leading and the named company. That time 𝗦𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗧 father was looking after some design and all, 𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗧.
Like many growing sugar industries, Nirani Sugars was constantly looking for ways to improve operational efficiency, reduce steam consumption, and prepare for future expansion. The need wasn't simply for equipment. It was for engineering that could continuously evolve with the business.
Then gradually I am contacting with 𝗦𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗧 for technical and engineering. Then so many new R&D, always whenever we'll meet, he is thinking and telling story about the improvement of the sugar factory. How to save the steam, how to save more bagasse, how to save minimum power. Like that, so many he is thinking behind 25 years. Now what he told 25 years before, now all those things it is implementing in all over India and abroad also.
Rather than supplying standalone equipment, SED approached every challenge as a process engineering opportunity. Every project focused on improving efficiency while ensuring long-term reliability. Over the years, this engineering-first approach introduced advanced technologies that transformed operations.
Those days, our steam consumption on cane was 50 to 60% on cane. Now they reduced it to less than 25% nowadays. It is a seeing is believing. My entire one boiling house turnkey, he made it in North Karnataka. That sugar factory name is 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Sugar Factory. That is 16,000 ton per day crushing capacity. Entire boiling house he made. Earlier it was above 40% on cane. Now including refinery, now we got it 26% on cane.
Innovations such as SED's patented mechanical vapor, recompression-based low-temperature evaporation technology helped redefine how processed water and energy could be managed inside modern sugar facilities.
MVR, if you are using in the plant, entire bagasse you can save. Even if you will purchase from 10 rupees per unit, this is more viable. We are putting the MVR. Now, already few plants in India, they installed MVR without boiler and turbine. Physically, I visited that plant, I saw.
Long-term partnerships are rarely built on equipment alone. They are built on trust, on technical discussions, on solving problems together.
Now I visited so many companies. All they are thinking whatever they did in the neighboring countries and forward countries, they are following their design. They are not took any major risk. Other companies. 𝗦𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 nature is different. He is a passionate person. He loved to work new ideas.
For Nirani Sugars, these conversations became an important part of every expansion project. Each new challenge brought another opportunity to improve. As Nirani Sugars expanded, so did the scope of collaboration. New projects, larger capacities, better efficiencies. The relationship evolved from supplier and customer into long-term engineering partners.
He supplied last year entire 15,000 TCD boiling house. Within 6 months, he supplied and commissioned. He took only 24 hours for commissioning the entire plant. I gave the raw material, I got the finished goods within 24 hours. Now, I am planning to give about 12 factory order in the existing sugar factory. I want to install MVR all the sector.
Even after 28 years, the partnership continues to be driven by one common objective: building sugar manufacturing that is smarter, more efficient, and prepared for tomorrow.
As compared to my knowledge, what he is thinking in the future idea, all those things nobody has explained, and they made it first kind in the India or first kind in the world. Nobody has started, nobody has took the risk. But 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 has taken the risk and he did it.
20 years, numerous projects, countless engineering discussions, and a shared commitment to continuous improvement. Some partnerships are measured by contracts. Others are measured by the value they continue to create. This is one of them.